In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect and also how to reset and pair your Galaxy Buds Pro 3 to any device. Let's go. Welcome back to the video. My name's Sergio, and in this channel, I make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new here, feel free to subscribe and also hit the bell while you're down there. And also, if you want an epic phone case like this for your phone, check out the links down below in the description. With that said, let's get right to it. So to initially connect your Galaxy Buds 3 is super simple. You just put it next to the device that you want to connect it to, open it up. If it's a Samsung Galaxy device, when you open up your Galaxy Buds 3 for the first time, this should pop up. You'll get the confirmation here to connect them. Just hit connect and follow the prompts. Super simple. However, if you want to connect it to a different device like an iPhone, you'll have to open up the lid and give it a few seconds for the iPhone to pull up the Buds 3. If after a few seconds it does not show up down here, all you have to do is press and hold the little reset button down here for about 3 seconds with the lid open. So let's go ahead and press it and it should show up on the iPhone. Okay, so wait till you see the blue light, then you can release it and it will show up right here. So let's go ahead and connect, and there we go, they are connected. Once the Galaxy Buds 3 are connected to a different device and you open it up, now it's no longer gonna show up on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So for this scenario, you will have to unpair it from the other device. So there's two ways to do it. You can either get your other device, select the I here if it's an iPhone, and you can just select disconnect or forget this device. And once it's disconnected, you will be able to connect it to your Samsung Galaxy device. The other way you can do it is also by pressing and holding the reset button at the bottom. So once again, press and hold it for about 3 seconds until the blue light appears. Then you can let go and it will show up on your Samsung Galaxy device once again. So now you can go ahead and select connect, and in this will automatically disconnect it from the other device it's connected to, and it will connect to the new Samsung Galaxy device. Okay, so it looks like the software has to be updated on the phone here to use the Galaxy Buds 3. So here you just got to agree to the terms and conditions, hit continue. And then here it's gonna ask us for permissions and access. So I'm just gonna hit allow and allow for the phone call and contacts and to access photos and media. So here we can enable things like active noise cancellation, and we can configure sound quality and effects here. And then once you're ready, you can just exit out of this by hitting home, and your Galaxy Buds 3 will be connected to your Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, if you're ever using your Galaxy Buds 3 and they're freezing up or they're not working properly, a good thing to do is to just reset and pair them. And you could do that by, once again, pressing and holding the bottom button here till it turns blue, and this will automatically disconnect it from your Galaxy device, and you can reconnect it again. And this will hopefully fix the problem so that you can continue using them normally again. All right, everyone, so that is how you connect and also reset and pair your Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 to your Samsung Galaxy phone or any other device. Go ahead and destroy that like button if this video helped you out. Comment down below and let me know if it did. And that's all for this video. Catch you in the next one. As always, peace.